Empowerment technologies for senior high school students encompass a range of technological tools and skills that equip them for success in the digital age. With the rapid advancements in technology and its ever-increasing impact on various aspects of life, it is crucial to prepare students with the knowledge and capabilities to navigate and leverage these tools effectively. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the significance of empowerment technologies and their implications for senior high school students. Empowerment technologies are designed to foster critical thinking, creativity, communication, and collaboration among students. These technologies serve as powerful resources for learning, enabling students to engage with information in dynamic and interactive ways. As digital natives, senior high school students already have some familiarity with technology, but empowering them with in-depth knowledge and skills enhances their capabilities and boosts their confidence in using technology to solve real-world challenges. The key elements of empowerment technologies for senior high school students include digital literacy, information literacy, media literacy, and technological literacy. Digital literacy focuses on understanding and using digital tools, while information literacy equips students to locate, evaluate, and utilize information effectively. Media literacy fosters the ability to analyze and comprehend various media formats critically, while technological literacy involves understanding the workings and applications of technology. To effectively implement empowerment technologies, senior high school curricula should incorporate relevant and engaging courses, projects, and activities. These might include courses on computer programming, web development, digital design, multimedia production, and data analysis. Furthermore, integrating technology into various subjects and projects across the curriculum encourages interdisciplinary learning and highlights the practical applications of empowerment technologies. Moreover, senior high school educators play a crucial role in guiding and mentoring students in their technology journey. By staying up to date with the latest technological trends, educators can better equip students to navigate the fast-paced digital landscape. Through hands-on training and real-world projects, students can gain valuable experiential learning, preparing them for the demands of the workforce and higher education. Empowerment technologies also promote inclusivity and accessibility in education. With assistive technologies and adaptive tools, students with diverse learning needs can participate fully in the learning process. By creating a digitally inclusive environment, senior high schools ensure that no student is left behind and that each individual can thrive academically and personally. Beyond the classroom, empowerment technologies provide opportunities for students to contribute positively to their communities and society at large. Whether through social media advocacy, digital storytelling, or community-driven projects, students can leverage technology to raise awareness about social issues, promote sustainable practices, and create positive change. In addition to the immediate benefits, empowerment technologies also prepare students for future careers. The job market is increasingly competitive and technology-driven, with employers seeking candidates who possess digital skills and adaptability. Senior high school students equipped with empowerment technologies gain a competitive edge, opening doors to a wide array of career possibilities in fields such as technology, communications, marketing, design, and more. However, empowerment technologies also come with challenges that require careful consideration. Privacy and data security are crucial concerns in the digital age, and students must be educated on responsible digital citizenship. Understanding the ethical use of technology, respecting intellectual property, and being mindful of the implications of their online actions are essential aspects of digital responsibility. In conclusion, empowerment technologies for senior high school students are essential tools for preparing the next generation for success in the digital age. By providing students with the necessary knowledge and skills, schools empower them to become responsible, creative, and adaptable digital citizens. In this interconnected world, leveraging technology for learning, innovation, and societal impact becomes an integral part of their education. Through the collaborative efforts of educators, policymakers, and students, empowerment technologies can play a transformative role in shaping a brighter future for the youth and society as a whole.